It's a 2010 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: AM/FM/XM satellite radio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, power sliding left and right rear passenger doors, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver reports sheet metal now appears shrink-wrapped indeed. Panel gaps have been reduced by up to 1.5 millimeters, giving the Odyssey an athletic stance that's emphasized by a tauter rear end and a sportier front fascia with dual projector beam headlights. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.